The story of Prophet Muhammad, in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Today, let us travel back more than 1400 years. To the deserts of Arabia. To the blessed city of Mecca, where the greatest and the final messenger of Allah, Prophet Muhammad, was born. His story is not just history, it is a light that still guides millions of hearts around the world. Birth or early life. Prophet Muhammad was born in the year 570 CE, known as the Year of the Elephant. He was born into the noble tribe of Quraysh, but his father had passed away before his birth. His mother, Amina, loved him deeply, but she too passed away when he was only 6 years old. He grew up as an orphan, raised first by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, and later by his uncle Abu Talib. Even as a young boy, Muhammad was known for truthfulness, kindness, and honesty. People called him Al-Amin, the trustworthy. His character before prophethood. As he grew older, his character shone even brighter. He never lied, never betrayed anyone, and never worshipped idols. He helped the poor, respected the elderly, and supported those who had no voice. At the age of 25, he married Khadija, a noble and respected woman, who became his partner, supporter, and the first believer in Islam. Revelation in Cave Hira. At age 40, Muhammad used to spend long hours in the cave of Hira, reflecting, praying, and seeking truth. One night, everything changed. Angel Jibreel appeared and revealed the very first words of the Quran, Iqra, read. Muhammad trembled with awe and returned home, where Khadija comforted him and reassured him that Allah would never abandon a man who was so kind, honest, and generous. This moment marked the beginning of his prophethood, a mission to guide humanity from darkness to light. Early struggles in Mecca, when he began calling people to worship one God and abandon injustice, cruelty, and idol worship, many in Mecca opposed him. They mocked him, insulted him, and even tortured his followers. But the Prophet remained patient. He taught kindness, forgiveness, and mercy, even to his enemies. Despite the hardships, a small but strong group of believers grew. Among them were Abu Bakr, Ali, Bilal, and many others who became pillars of Islam. Migration to Medina. As the persecution increased, Allah commanded the Prophet and the Muslims to migrate to Medina. This journey, known as the Hijrah, marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In Medina, something beautiful happened. Tribes who were once enemies became brothers. Muslims and non-Muslims lived together in peace under the Constitution of Medina, one of the first written charters of human rights. The Prophet became not only a spiritual leader, but also a wise statesman, judge, and teacher. Mercy, forgiveness or miracles. Throughout his life, the Prophet showed exceptional mercy. He forgave those who hurt him, visited the sick, fed the hungry, and never raised his voice in anger. He taught that even a smile is charity. He showed how to live with compassion, dignity, and purpose. People saw his truthfulness, and thousands embraced Islam not through force, but through his character. The return to Mecca. After years of struggle, the Prophet returned to Mecca, not as a conqueror, but as a giver of peace. He forgave the people who had once tortured him. He entered the Kaaba and removed the idols, restoring it as the house of the one God. Mecca embraced Islam, and the message of Allah spread across Arabia and beyond. Final sermon or passing. In his final sermon, the Prophet gave a powerful message. All humans are equal. No Arab is superior to a non-Arab. No white person is superior to a black person. The best among you is the one with the most piety. Shortly after, at the age of 63, the Prophet returned to his Lord. He left behind a complete way of life, Islam, a guidance for mercy, justice, kindness, and peace. Conclusion of the story. The story of Prophet Muhammad is not only a story of a man, but a story of truth, patience, sacrifice, and divine guidance. May peace and blessings be upon him, the greatest of all messengers, and may his teachings inspire our hearts forever.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and share it with your family and friends.